Amazing inventions and gadgets that are on another level. Number 8. Rivian R1T Camp Kitchen. Maker of electric off-road vehicles, Rivian debuted its camper kitchen feature at an event years ago. When not in use, it stows away in the R1T's gear tunnel and slides out like a big drawer. When you open it, everything you need to prepare a meal, consume it, and clean up is inside. A Dometic induction cooktop with 2 burners is available. Due to its quick heating and cooling, induction is ideal for this application. In this manner, you may quickly store the kitchen. Located in the kitchen's right corner are the cutting boards and spoon rest. The sink in the camp kitchen is hidden by the cutting board. The basin folds flat when not in use thanks to its accordion construction. Number 7. InstaFire. The product InstaFire is quick to ignite a fire and is secure, easy to use, and multifunctional. A proprietary combination of wood pellets, volcanic rock, and paraffin wax is known as InstaFire. Because of its proprietary recipe, InstaFire can withstand even the worst weather conditions, such as rain, snow, and strong winds. InstaFire offers a secure, hygienic, and all-natural solution to light a fire whenever and wherever it is required. When camping or in an emergency, use InstaFire to start campfires, make coal briquettes, or as a dependable and secure fuel source for cooking. The creators of InstaFire are pioneers in fire-starting technology and have more than 40 years of combined business and outdoor experience. Number 6. Alpine Bike Capsules. Alpine Bike Capsules are designed to safeguard and increase the lifespan of a bicycle. They are constructed of dependable, roto-molded polyethylene and come with an integrated locking mechanism. The bike capsule features a lot of inside space for riding equipment and simple access to practically any style of bike, even mountain bikes with broad handlebars. Alpine aims to establish a new benchmark for bicycle storage that elegantly balances security, accessibility, and peace of mind while freeing up valuable space in your home or place of business. For easy, secure, private, remotely reversible bike parking and e-bike battery charging, Basecamp integrates an integrated Bluetooth lock and geolocation with Alpine's smartphone app. Number 5. FarmBot. A Cartesian coordinate robot farming machine, software, and documentation, as well as a farming data repository, make up the open-source CNC farming project known as FarmBot. The project's goal is to develop open, user-friendly technology that will help everyone grow food and grow food for everyone. FarmBot is an open-source project that accepts user modification and contributions to the hardware, software, and documentation. The FarmBot Genesis can grow more than 30 different types of plants in an area measured 2.9 meters by 1.4 meters with a maximum plant height of 0.5 meters, including potatoes, peas, squash, artichokes, and chard. It may function indoors, outdoors, and undercover while growing a variety of crops in the same space at once. Number 4. Autonomous Bale Mover. The hypothetical autonomous bale mover, sometimes known as bale hog, is intended to transport bales from where they are dumped in the field to the field's edge or to a storage place. The robot locates the bales in the field with the aid of a variety of sensors, including a Velodyne and a SICK LiDAR sensor with a vision camera in between, once the operator has programmed the robot's work area. BaleHawk, a new robot from Vermeer that is roughly the size of 3 round bales, will help farmers deliver their hay and straw on time. Number 3. Gator Frameworks Cart. The all-terrain utility cart by Gator Frameworks allows you to safely transport your equipment in a single trip. This trolley easily transports your equipment to its location. The cart's tough, welded steel frame, 500-pound maximum weight capacity, and durable 10.25-inch, 260mm rear tires make it equipped to withstand the wear and tear of numerous travels. Additionally, it has no-flutter locking swivel casters that were created specifically to prevent any noise and counteract cart wobble. To stop your cargo from rolling away while loading and unloading, just engage the caster locks. With its 8 distinct configurations, the cart effortlessly adjusts to a range of demands, from music gigs to corporate functions, by stepping down on the bottom release latches to fold down both side handles. Number 2. Geoplast Innovation. The fundamental goal of Geoplast Innovation is to combine sustainability and profitability in building design, construction, use, and upkeep. They provide a wide range of innovations for ground floor structural components such as foundations, basement walls, ramps, or slabs that simultaneously accomplish various tasks, reduce the amount of concrete used, produce lightweight structural fillings, create ventilated layers that keep the structure dry, and create crawl spaces for MEP infrastructure. The recyclable plastic used in Geoplast's framework innovations make them lightweight, more than 100 times reusable, and simple to manually install. They can cast any structural component in the worst conditions, saving a lot of time during construction as well as money on transportation, storage, and space. Number 1. Trinix. The bicycle trunk you should always carry around with you is called Trinix. In contrast to large cargo bikes and small bicycle bags, Trinix provides you with the best mode of transportation for each circumstance. Trinix is a premium bike rear rack that can be quickly converted into a full-fledged freight trailer. Trinix is there when you need it and won't annoy you while you're traveling light. The trailer is waiting to be loaded behind your bike if you decide to conduct errands on a spur of the moment. Trinix is little more than a lightweight luggage carrier whenever you need to pass cars traveling at top speeds during rush hour.